March 29, New Delhi. A 13-year-old maid cries desperately to be rescued. It's a chilling image of modern-day slavery, an image that prompts us to retrace the journey undertaken by the minor girl Geeta, not her real name, from her home in Jharkhand. To travel to Veerkheda village in the interiors of Sisai block, Kumla district, we are told would require a police escort. The area is known for its Naxalite activity, and it prepares us for the backwardness and deprivation that we are going to find. When we reach the village, there's a latch on the door of Geeta's hut. Members of her extended family who live next door emerge. No one's at home, they tell us. With them is a 7-year-old child, Geeta's sister, Sanam. We piece together the story of an intensely poor and dysfunctional family. Geeta's mother doesn't live here, they say. Her husband turned her out of their home.
ऐसे ही खाना उना नहीं मिलता है, इसलिए वहीं रहता था.
वहाँ पे काम करते थे.
हाँ.
और उसके आदमी क्या करते हैं?
उसका आदमी नहीं, थोड़ा दिमाग नहीं है उसका, पगल टाइप का है, हाफ माइंड का. का बोलेला, उकर दिमाग में जैसन जैसन बोले मन करेल तिसन तिसन बोलेला. पहाड़ो जाए हल चिल्लाएला. रात है अगर दिन है घर ने भी चिल्लाएला, पहाड़ जाएला पहाड़ ने भी चिल्लाएला. इकर दिमाग है एकदम शुद्ध नख है.
The family are Lohara tribals who prepare iron agricultural implements for farmers. In return, they get some paddy. There are no other opportunities for work. This Mahatma Gandhi Narega card was issued to them in 2006. But since then, only 2 days of work was provided. Geeta has 2 other siblings, a 10-year-old brother and a 5-year-old sister who arrive later. For the family, starvation is a reality. The children were growing up without parental care. Their mother was forced to live in their grandmother's house a few kilometers away. They say Geeta was taken away by a neighbor, Narayan Sahu. He was the first procurer who sold her to a Delhi middleman.
नारायण कहाँ रहता है?
नारायण तो अभी है ये नहीं है.
तो क्यों लेके गया उसको?
परेशानी तो सबे के परेशानी जन तो अब गरीब कहले बातें दोसर है तले. परेशानी से नहीं जाए ना लड़की नहीं तो जा.
ने को तो पैसा कमा आपको एक दिन चल गेला.
परेशानी कर कोई घर से थोड़े निकली.
6 months ago, the day Geeta left, no one realized that she had gone. And 2 days had passed before her mother got to know.
भेजने के समय कुछ पैसे दिया क्या नारायण ने?
नहीं.
उसको माँ को नहीं?
उसका माँ को भी पता नहीं था.
बहुत दिन के बाद में पता चला कि उसको नारायण दिल्ली लेकर गए हैं. उसके बाद उसकी माँ आई, बाद में उससे नंबर मांगने की बहुत कोशिश की. बहुत कोशिश करने के बाद उसके बाद बहुत दिन के बाद नंबर दी थी सर.
Though the family had not heard from Geeta for 6 months, after the case hit the headlines, Narayan took her mother to Delhi.
माँ के पास में पूछे कि कौन ले गया, तो बोला कि जो लड़की को ले गया था वही लेके गया है.
Though the minor girl was clearly tricked into leaving her home, no one had gone to the police station to register a complaint. Despite Jharkhand being a source state, there appears to be no focus on prevention. Poor families here do not believe the police system is responsive to them. It is almost as if they had no stake in the system, as if the relationship between the police and them is non-existent.
तो आप लोग पुलिस के पास क्यों नहीं गए कि हमारी लड़की कहाँ गई?
नहीं गए तो.
क्यों नहीं गए? कोई कारण है कि पुलिस के?
नहीं.
आप लोग डरते हैं क्या पुलिस से?
तो नहीं डर. पुलिस से देहात कराओ दिन डर में करे.
नहीं, अगर आपकी लड़की गुमशुदा हो जाए तो आप लोग बताएंगे नहीं पुलिस को?
तो हम लोग को नहीं ना पता था तब.
आपको क्या लगता है नारायण को जेल भेजना चाहिए?
नहीं, अगर जो हमारी बेटी अगर जो पहुँच जाए तो हल्का है जहल होगा. हाँ, जब बेटी हमारे पहुँच जाए तो कुछ जहल नहीं होगा नहीं.
Meanwhile, there are no child protection services for these children. There is no reason to believe that another child trafficker will not find a victim in this family or in this village again.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.